Hello, welcome back. You want to see how I achieve this malicious isiewu? Watch this video so you don't miss out. Here I have my ready washed goat head diced into smaller pieces, my onion, scotch bonnet, ginger, garlic, salt, and one seasoning. I'll give it a good stir and I'll steam it for 10 minutes. So I'll pour in water, 3 glasses of water, and I'll give it a good stir and I'll cover and cook it for 30 minutes. So here is after 30 minutes, I'll be adding the goat brain. So now I came to check, it's ready, tender and soft. As you can see, the water dried on the goat head. So I added my palm oil, my potash water. I'll just continue stirring until it changes color. So this is it. Once your oil and the potash mixture is like this, other ingredients can go in. I'll add in my crayfish, my calabash, nutmeg. If you must achieve good isiuwu, you must have crayfish, calabash, nutmeg, the goat brain, and your goat head. So for those of you always coming to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you'll be notified. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So I added the goat head, I gave it a good mix. I added the goat head, the brain, and I gave it a good mix. So now it's properly combined. I'll add in my onion and my basil and parsley leaf. If you have not tried your isiewu with basil and parsley leaf, try it and you will be glad you did. So I will just cover it on my gas cooker and steam it for another 2 seconds. It's ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one.